Now students, let us come to the structure of contractile proteins. Okay, now each actin filament structure. Okay, now this picture that I have already kept over here is that of an actin. Okay, now actin is nothing but, see, two filamentous protein. See, this is one, okay, going, and this is another. These two filaments are helically, wound around each other. So I'm writing this helically wound to each other. They are two in number. What are these two? F or filamentous actins. Now, this one filamentous actin or this one, you can see that it is made up of these round structures. Means these round structures, these are known as G actins or globular actins. Okay, now above this actin filament we have another protein that is winding the actin is known as tropomyosin. This is the tropomyosin. And at regular intervals of this tropomyosin we have got another protein. You can see this protein. This is known as troponin. Now this troponin can be of three types. I, T and C. Now these three, this I, troponin, C, this is site for calcium binding. This T, site for attachment of troponin with tropomyosin. And this one I covers the site for attachment of myosin with actin. Okay, so this was all about your actin. Now let us see about myosin. Now myosin, it looks somewhat like this. It will have a globular head. Okay, it will have globular heads, and then it will have a short tail. Okay, now The head will carry, this head, globular head, this will carry actin binding sites, means the portion that will bind to actin. Okay, and just beneath them it will also carry ATP binding sites. Okay, and this portion where it is known as the cross arm. Okay, now there are some points that you have to remember about myosin is that this myosin is also a polymerized protein. Also a poly in so if it is a polymerized protein, then what are the polymers, like I mean what are the components with which these polymers are made up of, I mean what are the monomeric proteins. Okay, monomeric proteins are known as the subunits. Okay, these are known as meromycins. Okay, so this was all about your myosin.